Hey guys, the XENVO Lenskit with micro plus macro lens is right here. So in this video, I'm going to be proving it why this is the best lens kit you will ever find for a smartphone at this cheapest rate, that is around $40. So let's get started. So right out of the box, it comes with this wide angle plus macro lens. So without opening it, it will just be wide angle lens, but if you will rotate it, then it will be two lenses. So the other is macro lens, which can enable you to shoot some very close images. And this is the clip, so you can pretty much connect it with it and then connect it to the smartphone. And I have right now Redmi Note 3 to my right, which I'll be showing you how you can connect it to. So this is the lens, and this is Redmi Note 3, and my OnePlus 5 is with my cousin, so I'll have to test it on this only right now, and also on iPhone for sure. So you can pretty much connect it like this, and you will have to look at the lens so that you can balance it properly. So it should be fit in the middle accurately so that there's no distortion. And this is how you can connect it. It took like 10 seconds and it's done. And other things you will find in the box will be this cleaning case, this kit, so that you can carry it easily, and these LED lights. These are amazing because these are going to enable you to shoot some bright photos in darkness, and you can even vlog in darkness using these lights. So these are pretty convenient and handy. And they even included a charger to charge these LED lights, and that's amazing. I don't know which else company will do it, because at this price you're getting a lot of things, and that's around $40. Amazing. So huge shout out to XENVO for that. Now, before getting into the great videos and photos taken by these two lenses, I want to let you guys know how this lens works. So the wide angle lens is 0.45x. So just imagine the videos that you will be taking with your smartphone will be 1x. So this is the screen, or this is the screen you will see with 1x, and with 0.45x you are widening it by 55%, so it becomes 0.45x. And on the other hand, this macro lens is 15x. So just imagine your screen is 1x and you will be zooming into 15x. I mean, you can go as close as 15 times to the object with this macro lens and shoot some really close photos just like these. And now let's get into the videos taken by these lenses. So you will notice that after drawing a straight line on that bar, you will notice a little bit of distortion, but those are very bare minimum. So that means these videos look amazing, just like a professional camera. You will definitely not be able to get that good quality, but the videos and photos are very vibrant and they are amazing, and that's why I love it. And now using this lens, I will pretty much be able to fit my friends in the frame, because this lens is wide enough, and this will be very helpful. And also the macro lens will be helpful, but it is going to be useful only in bare cases when I need to shoot videos or photos of the objects that are very close to me. And I'm saying that these are one of the best lenses, not because these are competitors of Sandmark or movement lenses, which are around $100, but also because this lens is one of the highest reviewed on Amazon, and you can see 1600 plus reviews, and this has a rating of 4.5 out of 5. So this is the best lens for any smartphone, and it works for majority of the smartphone cameras, so definitely worth it. And also, if you guys want to test it again, so this video is currently being recorded with XENVO lens on iPhone XR. So the moment I'll remove it, this is going to be the video. And there's one more disadvantage, that the moment you connect this lens with the iPhone or any other phone, it's going to cover the microphone. So that's why I will recommend using an additional microphone. That will be maybe Boya. That's the one I'm using, and that will be in the description below. So that's very cheap. That's only $20. So now I will say that it is definitely worth it, and you can buy it from India, and it will be around 8,000 rupees, and in the US it is $40. So if you're coming to US, then it is definitely worth it buying from the US. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.